Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I'm going to do a quick review of something. And I say quick because I got a purchase. I thought I'd canceled it, to be honest, but I guess I didn't. And because I had done an unboxing, which I showed you, of a fashion file purchase that I made of the Celine Phantom Medium in black calfskin. And all that to say, after I did that, I know I always fool with my hair because I look in the monitor and I see my hair's crazy because I've been sweating and running around and doing stuff this morning. So forgive me for that. Okay, I'm done with fixing myself. So the bottom line is I could have sworn I canceled this, but anyway, I made a purchase, and so I unboxed it today. And as you know, my boxes are opened. Then we wash our hands and leave what's inside to pull out, so that, you know, just due to COVID, I do unboxings differently now, so you're never going to see the outer box. And apparently, that's how some retailers are doing too, because this is a Brahmin. When I opened the outer box, there was a paper fold over of Brahmin because it had the little Windjammer ship on it, which is a Brahmin symbol on all of their pieces, but there wasn't a Brahmin box. I'm sure there is a dust bag. There is. Okay, so here's the Brahmin, but I'm disappointed, y'all. This is not what I thought it was going to be at all. This is super shimmery. I thought this was going to be a kind of dusty gray and a very soft pink, and what this actually is like a blue-gray, almost like a blue-gray green, but it's a gray, metallic, a metallic peach, and then almost like a purple metallic. That is not how it looked online at all. Matter of fact, it said smoky gray, and that looks like purple and green mixed in with gray in this area and this area, two different things. Online, it looked like this and this were similar, maybe just lighting, and that it was the regular, it was shiny, but it wasn't metallic. This whole thing's metallic, and I feel like it cheapens the look. What do y'all think? I think I'm going to send this back. Now, what I will tell you I like about it, I like the size of it. As you can see next to my face, it's a good size. It's got both a shoulder strap and rolled handles, so I like that. On this side, you know what else I just noticed? It does not have the Brahmin. This is really making me wonder. It does not have the Brahmin pull tags that are always on their pieces. There's always a piece right here that hangs down, and it's usually an oval. I had the Windjammer on it. Usually on one side or the other. It's not on either side. Now it does have on the front the Brahmin plate, but there is no hang tag. It looks like a keychain. It's a bag tag. It's not on there. Again, those colors are not at all what I expected, y'all. Very metallic. Very not dusty gray. That is very metallic. Almost like a blue gray, green gray. That's not dusty pink. That's peachy, which I don't like that together. And then this has almost got a pinky purple color to it. It's almost like three lines. It's not well faded in. I don't know. This is not what I expected at all. So on this side, you do have the cell phone pocket, which is why this pocket's right there. It's a slide. It's a little bigger because cell phones are getting bigger. It's actually a lot bigger than usual. So you can literally put your cell phone and keys down in there, which I think is good to have. Inside, it does actually have the dust bag, so there's that. And it has pieces to hold the structure, and it does have your typical two pockets and zip pocket on one side, and then that's what they call the jewelry pocket, and then on the other side is a full-size pocket, and also the keychain holder, which is always kind of stuffed down in there so that if you need to find your keys quickly, you can just reach for that, and it pulls it right out of the bottom. Now, and also it's got, is that the chamois? Yeah, it does have the kind of suede-y feeling, micro suede feeling chamois interior. Smells wonderful. It's their high quality leather. I'm really disappointed that I just realized they do not have the bag tag on this like they normally would. Nor is there one inside. It does have the Brahmin bar again right there. So I'm wondering, are they switching? And of course, I love that sound. It does have the little gold feet or brass feet, whatever they're made of. I think it is brass. Or it may not be. Maybe another metal. I'm going to take these off. Y'all, I think I'm going to return this. This is not the color at all what I expected. Now, what I do like about this is the size. A lot. It's called Priscilla Satchel. It's $385. And I did not get a discount, I think. And it's got the Smoky Quartz Ombre Melbourne. Genuine leather. Smoky Quartz. It just, maybe quartz is supposed to have a little bit of a shimmer to it. I don't know. All I know is when I look at it on site, it did not have this metallic finish. My husband didn't like it either. He goes, that does not look like you at all. And I'm like, well, I do metallics. I mean, but this isn't what I wanted from this bag, to be honest. Let me put that back in there. And because of that, I mean, I like the bag shape and size a lot. It's the color. I don't know. Y'all vote below. Would you keep this one? It's so hard because there's two things I love about it, which is the size and that good smelling leather. I love the size. Something about these metallic colors, to me, cheapens the look of this bag. Now, I wouldn't want this in the typical one that I get. What's it called? Is it chestnut or the brown? I wouldn't want it in black because I have those colors. I may even be willing to do another color combo that even has a metallic finish to it. But something about this metallic finish, I don't know if it's that pink, peach. Like if that wasn't there, I think I would like it a little better if that wasn't there. But this is purpley, and this is like a green, so it's green, peach, purple. I thought this was going to be more like a light gray to dark gray, like light gray to dark gray, and in between there'd be a very slight hue of pink. This is not pink to me. This is very peach, because you can see the contrast of it to this purple, how peach it is. It's not pink looking. And really the contrast of it to the green gray. None of this is gray to me. This to me is that's like almost a metallic green mint. Maybe there's some gray in that, but it's not gray to me. It's more green. And not that I mind that. I've seen the obsidian, which is green and blue, and I actually like that. I think it's these two colors I'm not liking. So what do y'all think? Like I said, I love the shape of the bag. I love the size of this bag a lot. I just don't love this finish. I don't love the color. So what do y'all think? What is your opinion of this bag? And I really don't like that they failed to put the bag tag on there. It's almost like they missed it. I don't know. It's very odd. Maybe they're not doing that anymore, and I think that's a mistake because people like bag tags for their bag. Some people take them off and use them as a keychain for their keys. But to just not even offer it. And by the way, this is a very fixed blowout side right here. You can't push that in, like on the sling where you can push it in, which is fine with me because I like this shape. But just so you know about this one, this is real hard. It's not, it's a very structured bag, which that's one thing I love about Brahmins is they're very structured bags. So, I don't know what to make of this, y'all. Like I said, my husband didn't even like it. And he is a big fan of Brahmins. He was the first person to get me into expensive handbags, and the first handbag that he bought me was a Brahmin. I'm doing it at different angles so y'all can see. Y'all give me your thoughts. It's not that I don't like it at all. It's that it's not what I was expecting at all. And because I have so many handbags, I'm thinking, do you really want to keep this? It's a $400 bag. Do you really want to keep this? Or would you rather send it back and get a color combination you like better in this same. I mean, for that kind of money, I want it to be exactly what I want. I'm just so disappointed. And I don't even know if the Priscilla comes, how many other color combinations it comes in, so I'm going to have to look at that. And again, if it's the, what's it called? Pecan, I think. What's the brown one called? Is it either pecan or... So, and I have Brahmins already that are in that. So I don't know if I want to do that. So again, I'm just kind of giving you a look at how shimmery it is so that you can see what I'm seeing and tell me what you think. Also, you know, this is very bright lighting, so you can see if this were out, you know, out in the sun, what it would look like. And in the dark, it may not. Like in the dark, it may just look gray. Kind of does. But I mean, the lighting on a website is not, it's not dark. It's well lit on a website, so that's not the problem here. So anyway, again, I do like, I like a lot about this. I like the little pocket being there. I love the little things on the bottom. That's so nice on the bottom. Look how, no, that's very strong peach, y'all. That looks a little more gray, but that's very peach, and this is very purple. This isn't, it's not gray. I'm not sure what I would want them to do, except first of all, I wouldn't want it to be so metallic. What do y'all think? I'd appreciate y'all's thoughts. I'll talk to you again soon. I think I'm going to ship this back. Y'all tell me what to do. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.